Hey there, everyone. This is George Paul III of GP3 Creative, and here for a quick 2-minute branding strategy and marketing tip. Now, every business has people that use them because your business fills an emotional need that they have. So, for example, when a kid is playing video games, his mom will come to him and say, "Hey, I need you to go to the store and get me some bread." Well, he's playing those video games. He wants to get back to that as quick as possible. So he has two options. He can go to the bodega around the corner and get the bread, or he can go to the grocery store further down the street. Now, in that particular setting, since he wants to get back to playing his games as quick as possible, well, the bodega is going to be the obvious choice. The reason why is because the bodega satisfies the emotional need of convenience for him. And similar, your business has an emotional need that is satisfied by your target audience. Now, the best way to find that out is to really just ask them, why do you choose my business over others? What has brought you to our doors? And listen to the things that they say. And by doing so, you're going to get some clues as to what emotional need that your business satisfies. And another thing that you can do is also think about the adjectives that describe your business. So, are you professional? Are you trustworthy? Do you have a quality product or a quality service? Well, those adjectives that are used to describe your brand and your business, you can then turn into imagery that is going to help appeal to your target audience and make them see the emotional need that your business satisfies and why they should choose you over other people. So there's your quick tip. Feel free to subscribe. Leave your comments below. Love to hear from you. Thank you very much and look forward to hearing from you.